Good morning students. In the last video we had discussed about the services that wholesalers provide to the manufacturers. In this video we will discuss about the services that wholesalers provide to the retailer. So let's start. Services to retailers. First one is availability of goods. Retailers keep a wide variety of goods to meet the needs of the customers, and wholesalers provide them this facility. Second is grant of credit. The wholesalers provide the retailers with grant of credit, and the retailers can make the payment to the wholesalers when they receive the payment from the customers. Third is risk bearing. As the wholesalers are the one who bears all types of risk, that is risk of spoilage, theft, shortage of goods, etc. So retailers are the one who are relieved from all types of risks. Fourth is specialized knowledge. The wholesaler has the knowledge about all the about the techniques, products manufactured by the manufacturer, and he informs the same to the retailers. Fifth is marketing support. The wholesalers provide sales promotion activities and advertising so that the customers are attracted towards the product, and they can buy the products and the sales can increase. Next we are going to discuss the second type of internal trade, that is retail trade. It is the last link of distribution chain. It refers to buying of goods and services in small lots and selling them to the customers. A retailer buys the goods from the wholesaler in small lots and sells them to the consumer as per their need. He acts as a middleman between the wholesaler and the consumer. Retailing does not only exist from the shop or a store. It can be from door to door. It can be through television, through internet, or any other mode. Now, next we are going to discuss features of retail trade. Number one is retailer is the last link in the distribution chain. Second feature is retailer directly sells the products to the consumers. Third is he sells and buys a wide variety of goods. Third is he deals with a variety of goods. Fourth is he buys and sells goods in small quantities. Fifth is a retailer generally maintains personal relations with the customers. Sixth is he acts as a middleman between the wholesaler and the consumer. Seventh is retailer is generally located in the residential areas. So today we have discussed about the services that wholesalers provide to the retailers, meaning of retail trade and features of retail trade. So you have to read the topic of wholesale trade and retail trade. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the next class.